it's Kendall with Sleepopolis, and today I'll be reviewing a mattress from Saatva, the Saatva Latex Hybrid mattress. Saatva, known for its luxury mattresses at an affordable price, brings us the Latex Hybrid, a mattress designed to provide a responsive and supportive sleep surface while keeping things cool and comfortable. Hybrid mattresses have been around for a really long time and are still popular to this day, but this mattress has latex and coils to offer pressure relief and support. As always, be sure to check the description down below for any coupons that'll save you a ton of money on this mattress. Now, let's get started. So how does this mattress feel and how firm is it? Well, here at Sleepopolis, we always use a 1 to 10 scale. 1 is super soft and 10 is super firm. Cloud, brick. I rated this mattress a 7.5 out of 10, making it a firm mattress. The responsive Talilay latex offers a light feel, ensuring you don't sink in too much, while the pocketed coils add extra support. This combination makes the mattress highly responsive, perfect for sleepers who want to move around easily at night. So if you want a firmer mattress that'll keep you lifted up rather than sinking in, then this mattress is just for you. So how does this mattress perform for different sleeping positions? I would recommend this mattress for back and stomach sleepers. Average to heavyweight back sleepers will love the support from the latex and coils, which help maintain spinal alignment. Most stomach sleepers should also find this mattress supportive enough to keep their hips elevated and avoid lower back strain. Side sleepers, however, may find this mattress a little too firm, especially if they prefer deep contouring around the hips and shoulders. And as a side sleeper myself, I would probably go with something a little softer. Now let's break down 3 key factors: motion isolation, edge support, and responsiveness. The Saatva Latex Hybrid has high motion transfer, likely because the combination of latex and coils makes it especially bouncy. The reinforced edges provide great support, meaning you can sit or sleep near the edge without feeling like you're gonna fall off. This is great for those who sleep with a partner. Couples should be able to spread out and use the full surface area of their mattress without worrying about sinkage near the sides. And since this mattress includes coils and latex in its construction, it is especially bouncy and responsive. So this level of bounce should prevent the feeling of being stuck in your bed. Let's talk about pressure relief. And when measuring pressure relief, we always use a pressure map to see where the pressure builds up around the joints. Red and yellow indicate high pressure, and blue and green indicate low pressure. This mattress provides excellent support, especially for back and stomach sleepers, as most of the map was blue. However, side sleepers may experience some pressure buildup around the shoulders and hips due to the firmer feel of the latex. If you sleep on your side, you may want a mattress that's a little bit softer, or you can get a mattress topper. Now let's take a look inside this mattress and see what this bad boy is made of. This mattress stands 13 inches tall and is made up of several layers. Starting with the organic cotton cover, it's breathable and soft, adding to the overall comfort. The wool layer adds an extra layer of comfort and breathability, helping regulate temperature and act as a natural fire barrier. Next, the 5-zone natural latex layer is responsive and naturally cooling, providing support without too much sinkage. The individually wrapped coils promote airflow, provide targeted support, and minimize motion transfer. Finally, the stable and durable base are made of organic wool and cotton, resulting in a longer lasting mattress. This eco-friendly design is especially great if you're eco-conscious shopper. Now let's talk about pricing and policies. A queen-size Saatva Latex Hybrid costs around $2,500, putting it in the luxury mattress category. Saatva offers a 365-night sleep trial, a lifetime warranty, and free white glove delivery, which includes in-home setup and old mattress removal. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, and let their team do all of the work. Finally, let's go over the pros and cons. Not only is it great for back and stomach sleepers, it's also great for combination sleepers thanks to its high level of responsiveness. It's highly breathable and sleeps cool, and it's great for eco-conscious shoppers thanks to its eco-friendly materials. Now, moving to the downsides of this great mattress. This mattress is too firm if you're a side sleeper, it's not the best at isolating motion, and it comes at a luxury price point, but be sure to check our description for any coupons. Let me know in the comments down below if this mattress is worth it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye!